In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Brother L2640DW. This reset can solve many issues, including Wi-Fi problems and other ones. So let's get started. First, turn on your printer. Then we're going to press this menu button. Press this minus button until you have selected printer. Then press OK to confirm. Go down this menu using the minus button. Until you have selected Reset Printer. Then press OK. To confirm, press the plus button, this one. And then it will say Reset to Default Settings, and it only takes a few seconds. At the end, you'll have this menu and you'll be good to go. You'll be able to set it up once again with a new device. You can go back on the main menu by clicking this red button here, and it will go on the main screen. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, but also comment down below. This is supporting my channel. See you on the next one.